So again, good morning, everybody. And before we are starting with the sessions here, that allow the other team members to join. So let me start with a few words. In these challenging times, it is especially important to continue the discussion and the activities that showcase your expertise, your innovation. And we are excited to share today with you really the advanced technologies and startup companies that you can see outside. We understand that it's more difficult to secure funding in this climate, and some companies may not survive. But the good news, those which will survive will be gained from the success. So please continue to innovate, push forward, and together we can overcome this challenging period. Looking ahead, Israel may sound and look like a safe place after the November election in US. Everything is proportional. The world is watching closely the pace of AI. And if you are not already familiar with ISO 40001 or the AI Risk Management Framework 1.0, I really encourage you, go and check this now because you need to be ready for the future. Gen AI also is changing our world and moving forward into the cybersecurity domain. Also, the attackers are using Gen AI. And we will talk today about the different direction and how to use it and how to protect it. Therefore, it is essential to continue the investment, create new startups. We want Israel to be the leading AI innovation center. We must work on this. This is critical for us in the future. So I'm looking forward for the discussion in the next, today and tomorrow about this challenging. And let me invite our first speaker of today, Professor Meir, School of Electrical Engineering from the Tel Aviv University and head of TAD. Professor.
Okay. Please. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to talk actually on two subjects. I'll make a quick introduction to the organization which I had, the Tel Aviv University Center for AI and Data Science. And then I allow myself to say a few personal thoughts or points on AI, especially as it emerging in the world and in Israel. The Tel Aviv University Center for AI and Data Science was established officially 3 years ago. Although discussions about that are going on for the last 6 or 7 years, everybody could imagine that AI is going to be something big. AI is not only on the core subject, it's also on many research throughout the university. So when we start the center, we set the following goals, which we try to indeed follow. Since we are a research university, the first thing is to encourage, support research, both in the basic areas, in the core areas. There is a strong team of scientists in Tel Aviv University, in engineering, in computer science, in statistics, that do the core research in AI. But we also would like to spread AI throughout the scientific activities around the campus in subjects like biology, even humanities. So those are the two first goals. We are a university. In university, you have research and education. So we also put a big emphasis on education. The center devised programs for undergraduate studies and also for graduate studies, which should be the jewel crown of whatever we teach. We would like that the best student that want to learn AI will do it in Tel Aviv University for good reasons. We also have to build infrastructure. AI needs a lot of computation power, a lot of storage, a lot of data. And we would like to communicate and be in touch, not to stay in the ivory tower, but to be in touch with the industry, with government bodies, and so on. I can tell you that comparing to Israeli universities, the AI center in Tel Aviv University is the largest in funding, in activities. but this is far away from what is needed, really far away. When I compared our center to centers in the world, we have 2 orders of magnitude less than what the similar centers in the world, in leading universities in the world, have. Well, Israel, the state of Israel, there are many words on supporting AI. There is a very small amount of real support. That's something you should remember. The Emirate spend much more on AI than the state of Israel. The Israeli government has many, as I said, big words, or some committees have big words, but not real support. And this field of research require much more funding. The infrastructure is expensive, the data acquisition of data, and so on. Nevertheless, we try our best, support research with nice amount of 70 million shekels. It is, as you can see, distributed all around the campus, in engineering, in exact science, life science, but also in humanities and other faculties in the universities. What else can I tell you? Oh, we build communities of researchers that are interested in AI throughout the campus. I'm happy to say that 320 faculty members in the Tel Aviv University are affiliated with the center, which is about 30% of the entire faculty body in Tel Aviv University. Nice number. And I'm happy about that. I'm happy that researchers in various fields understand the power of AI, how it can help them research, how to do science in a different way. And that's why we build communities. As you can see, it leads to many collaborations. And I mentioned education. We push some programs in undergraduate studies. I think that no student can graduate from Tel Aviv University without getting at least a basic course in AI, to understand the language, to understand what does it mean. But there is also a crown jewel, as I said, a graduate program with high demand for the best mind that want to do AI. By the way, we also care for the high school kids and even elementary school kids, and we encouraged and actually made programs for kids as well, which is, of course, the next generation. We built some infrastructure. I mean, it maybe looks impressive, but when you compare it to what is really needed, it's really nothing, and this is not what other universities in the world have. Again, funding. If you want to hear more about the center, here is our website. Please get in and see the activities that we did in the previous years, in the last 3 years that we are officially organized, and what are our plans. So after introducing the AI Center in Tel Aviv University, I want to use this opportunity to say a few personal words, some perspective on AI. And again, this is my opinion, not the, my opinion, not the TAD opinion, not the Tel Aviv University opinion. So some 4 personal comments. Here is the first one, hopefully. Oh, okay, yeah. We are in hype. Now everybody says AI. Either it's needed or not. Somebody do some statistical analysis of data, it's AI. Great marketing word. So there are good things. Every technology, every new wave generated hype, generated overshoot, it will subside. But remember, we are in hype. Don't be, well, I'm glad that many people are here because of this hype maybe, but we are in a hype. The second comment. I gave many times the following lecture. Artificial intelligence, AI, is it really intelligence? What do you think? Of course, my answer is no. What is called AI is not intelligence. There are many popular articles in the papers or whatever. Everybody is afraid of AI, what the machine will take control of us. They are more intelligent than us, maybe. Well, nobody says that people are intelligent. But nevertheless, AI, it's not really intelligence. And when we understand what those algorithms are doing, those people that build the algorithms that know what the system are doing, It's essentially generate a very complex statistical model from data. That's what we do. And we have some structure of those class of models. It could be neural networks, it could be transformers, it could be anything else, but it's nothing more than extracting statistical analysis, statistical model from the data, not intelligence. Very useful. Can do many good things, can do many bad things, but it's really not intelligence. And I actually think there is some incompleteness. Don't worry, the machine will not take control of us. There will always be something missing. And I'll quote Gödel that there is probably something that is beyond what we can do in artificial intelligence, definitely in mathematics. So don't worry that the machine will take control over us. It's a tool, nice tool, engineering achievement, scientific achievement, can do good things, can do bad things, but it will not take control of us. The third comment, after I mean, everybody is afraid, intelligence, what the machine will do, the machine will teach themselves. Sure, those things may happen, but that's, again, not something to be worried about. I mean, should be controlled, should be monitored. Another fact that people that work in this area know, maybe it's our secret, we know what we built. Those are the algorithms, neural networks, transformers, whatever. But here it is. Here is a block diagram of a transformer. What is used for GPT, what is used for other language models, right? We have GPT. GPT, by the way, if you didn't know, it's just an acronym for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. And transformer is an architecture of models that learn from data, tune parameters, and get some statistical models. So we know what we build, but we do not understand yet why it works. There is a lot of empirical evidence of many things. The stage of AI research in this today, that we have something we understand sort of intuitively, but we really don't understand why it works. Empirical success, it may resemble what we had in electricity in the 19th century when we had experiment, but it took Maxwell to explain to us. So we need Maxwell for AI. And my last comment, because my time is up, is what it is. Oh yeah, that's it. And my last comment is that whatever we do, we are in some crisis. We may hit a wall because now what we do, those complex things require a lot of money, and more than that, require a lot of energy. And my belief that this will not continue forever, and we will have to find some different solution to achieve what we already achieving in a different way. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Meir. No, it's okay, no problem.